Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas to WordPress. All right. So as we all know, in GoCanvas, the integrations is not yet available. And when you do like to have a custom integration, you will have to reach out to GoCanvas support. All right. Just go ahead over to integrations and reach out to their support and they'll set it up for you. But if you don't want to reach out to them, we do have one option, which is by using a third-party, let's say it is a bridge or a connector, okay? For this example, I'm going to be using Zapier. Okay, you can go ahead and use make.com or some other similar websites or bridges, okay? Now to integrate GoCanvas with WordPress, again, let's go ahead and use Zapier to create a seamless workflow between the two platforms. Now, Zapier right here allows you to automate actions between GoCanvas and WordPress when specific events occur. Now, for example, you can set up a Zap to automatically upload a file to WordPress when a new submission is received in GoCanvas. All right. So first up, go ahead and create your Zapier account. It's totally free and it's easy to set up. Okay. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you can go ahead over to the top left, click on Create, and now select Zaps. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to Trigger. All right. Let's go ahead and find GoCanvas as the initiator of the workflow. Okay, if you can't find GoCanvas in here in the list, you can go ahead and find GoCanvas from the search bar. Click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and select an event or trigger event. Okay, click on it, now go ahead and use a new submission. All right, it says here triggers when a new submission is uploaded to GoCanvas for this specified app. All right, just click on it. Now go ahead and log into your GoCanvas account. All right. There'll be a login button right here instead of change. But as you can see here, I do have my account logged in already. So just go ahead and log in. And once done, go ahead and hit on continue to configure it. Just select the app name. For example, a daily field report. All right. Once done, hit on continue and make sure to test it out just for you to see that it is connected correctly. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on continue with a selected record. Now tap away. As you can see here, it now has a check mark. That means that it's ready to go. Now we have the trigger event. The next thing that we would need is an action. All right. What happens after the trigger? Just click on action. Now go ahead and find WordPress. All right. Click on WordPress. Then make sure to click on action event. Select an event. All right. You have create section right here. Also at the bottom, we have search, right? So for create, you can go ahead and use create post, create user, update post, update user, and some other good stuff. Search, find a post or find a user. All right. So for example, we're just going to be using create post. Account, same with GoCanvas, make sure to sign in. There'll be a new page that will pop up. It says here, enter your full publicly accessible WordPress URL. All right, with leading HTTP or HTTPS. Do not include WP admin or WP login.php. If your WordPress site has a custom login URL, please do not include the, like so, custom URL value. For example, use this one instead of like so. All right, as you can see here, it is required. So I'm just going to go ahead and type down your email or username that you used to log in with WordPress. Password, of course. And then once done, just hit on yes, continue to WordPress. All right. Once you have added your account, just go ahead and hit on add account to continue, then configure just like what we did on GoCanvas. All right. Now, once that's done, once you have tested your WordPress account, you can now go ahead and publish it. And when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined action to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. All right. So basically just hit on publish and once done, everything will be automated. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.